everybody having a great day today? Okay, this is Bob Wilson, singer-songwriter in San Antonio, Texas. I like this song. I wrote a story. It's a lot of work. I wrote a story on this song, but it's a great song. It's called My Old Pickup Truck. Old pickup truck. At 17, I bought my old pickup truck. I cleaned it up real nice. Learned about love and life in my old pickup truck. Drink moonshine with my friends. Went fishing and camping too. Drove it on my wedding day. My old pickup truck. Watch my friends and family pass. Made it through hard times. One thing I can count on, my old pickup truck. My wife left me for another bad divorce. We had, she took half of everything. I kept my old pickup truck. Now I'm mending my broken heart, trying to make a new start. It ain't worth much. I love my old pickup truck. It ain't worth much, but I love my old pickup truck. Yeah, my old pickup truck. I really love my old pickup truck.